Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here doing a very quick review on this tire pressure gauge. It's really popular on Amazon. This is the Jaco Deluxe. It's basically a manual gauge, so it's not one of those digital gauges that would require batteries, which is the main reason why I wanted something like this. The display is able to go from 0 to 100 psi, which is plenty for pretty much any case because my car tires only go up to about 35 psi. The top of the stem is pivotable, so it's easier to get into some of the more difficult places that your valve may be positioned. And here on the side is a little release button once you have gotten your tire reading. For design and looks, I think it's pretty classy that they put this rubber casing around the metering gauge, so it looks like a tire basically. And it's really compact, so you can pretty much shove it anywhere. I personally put it in my utility backpack in my trunk, so I put it with all my other emergency gear. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be keeping it there for long because I realized that it actually doesn't work as advertised. When I tried to take a reading on one of my tires on my car, it just wouldn't hold the reading at all. As you can see, the needle keeps on slipping down. I tried it on all of my tires and to no avail. So at this point, I thought I got like a defective unit. It may not have a good seal for whatever reason. So I reached out to Jaco's customer service and they gave me this guide basically to clean it. But even after following the directions, I still found that after some time, the gauge just doesn't hold its reading. And I just don't understand why they couldn't have fixed this in the factory so that it would work properly once you have it in the consumer's hands. And I'm not the only person to have experienced this. After reading some reviews on Amazon, there are also other people who've had this problem. So the fact that this is not an isolated case shows that there must be some kind of design flaw, and I attribute it to the fact that there's some gaps here in the stem where dust and oils and other debris can get into it and break the seal. So overall, I can't really recommend this particular tire gauge because I just feel like it should work consistently, especially the reason why I picked this one over a digital gauge is the fact that I didn't have to worry about charging it, but if I have to worry about maintaining it, then what's the point? So my follow-up venture would be to try out a digital tire gauge, so make sure to subscribe to see a review on that. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.